In this guide, you'll learn how to use the NX AI Trading Assistant on FXNX. Let's get started. Tap the FXNX tab at the bottom, then find and tap NX AI in the ecosystem grid. The AI greets you with quick action buttons. Check your balance, view open positions, or get market prices. You can also type any question or use voice input. Ask a question or tap a quick action. The AI responds with real-time data in formatted cards, along with follow-up action buttons. Keep the conversation going. New context-aware actions appear after each response. Type your own questions anytime. And that's it. You've completed all the steps. If you need any help, reach out via live chat on portal.fxnx.com. Happy trading!